Hey, what's going on, crew? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So today I got a treat, guys. I know I've been telling you that we're gonna try to finish up some videos of my buddy Counts Customs. He has a lot of classic cars that he's been building over the years, and I've been actually privileged to last 5 years you know, help him out with some of these builds and stuff. So I'm looking forward to actually getting these trucks and sedans on camera. So today we're going to be doing a review of his 1955 Cameo truck, guys. She's a beaut, man. She's such a nice looking vehicle. And let's go ahead and get into this video, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And don't forget, if you really enjoy this video, don't forget to share and like these videos. And if you really enjoy this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. It'll help the channel a lot, and we're still growing, and I want to continue growing, guys. So anyway, let's get into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, guys, so we are here in front of old Counts Customs place here, man, and we are actually gonna do a nice little truck video. Now this is Counts 1955 pickup truck. It's a Cameo edition, guys. You don't see too many of these Cameos on the road, that's for sure. Whenever I was just assisting helping him, I tell you what, he probably has about several thousands of dollars of chrome on this truck, and that's why these trucks are just so hard to find and so hard to build. And everything he does, of course, you guys know, is going to be custom. So we're going to walk around and we're going to talk about some of these nice details that Counts did with this here 55 Cameo. He got some cool old Ridley wheels here. These wheels here are 255 45 20s, man. And I believe he got those all around. And you see the detail, even got the calibers painted up in those miles, man. I like how he put that pearl stripe on the side of it. Matched great with that orange. Now, one thing what a lot of people do with these old trucks is that they move the gas tank, and that's one thing that he did. He still got the gas tank cap on the original side, but one thing that he did that's so unique with this is that he removed the gas tank out of the back of the seat, and he actually put it underneath the bed. So he actually got it running from inside the tank here all the way to the back of the bed, like almost right underneath that fender there. Also show you far as the wood bed that he put in here. Everything is custom, and as you guys see, he got the wheel wells, and he also made a little place that you can put like a little lawn chair back there, tools, or even his jack as well. I believe he got his jack back there right now. We're not going to lift that because I don't want to scratch up his truck or anything, but this actually comes up, and he got his jack and stuff like that underneath there. Now we're around the back to that nice beautiful rear end. I also like how he put the chrome strips on it, and it's all throughout. Everything matches. With the big back window. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Everything custom here. Like I said, Counts, he does everything. Love the design that he put on his door trim. Let's get inside, see what we got going on. And I love his designs, very simple designs, but they just look so slick. As you see, he done smoothed out the dash. He removed the glove box here, shaved the glove box. He also got his vents. He made a underneath dash, cup holders. Also made this custom vent seating here, a custom console. This 18 gauge steel, guys. And he got the design going from the outside all the way coming in. Man, that's beautiful. All right, this is over here on the passenger side, guys. As you see, the IC billet steering wheel. And one thing about all of his trucks and stuff is that everything is electric windows and everything. So it's just like a modern day vehicle, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look underneath the hood. One thing that I love about all accounts is builds, and I'm not gonna lie, I actually took some of the design from him. Whenever I do my covers and stuff, he was the one that actually taught me how to do the covers and stuff. And he does make he made this one here out of a two-piece. As you can see, this one here is the front to go over the radiator to hide all that, to make it look real slick and smooth. And then he actually done another two-piece for the engine cover for those 5.3s. Anybody that got a 5.3 in their truck or their sedan, you know how ugly these 5.3s are. So this is what you can do to dress up the 5.3 if you have one, all right? Look how slick. He also slicked the firewall as well, man. Look how you can eat off that, man. Look how clean it is. He got a big old powertrain brake booster there. This thing will stop on a dime. All right, guys, so that's the 1955 Cameo of Ron Counts. And I tell you what, man, he built this, and I believe he finished with this build a year ago. And I tell you what, it looked like he just finished building it. This is one of my favorite trucks of all time. Just not this particular one, but this year is what I've always wanted in a truck. Hey, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and get a nice little aerial shot. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see another video or another type of classic car recorded, please leave in the comments what you want to see. And I definitely try to get that for you guys. So I enjoyed this video today, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, guys. And if you really like it, you know what I tell you. If you got a good cigar, a fast car truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.